Ever wondered why people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg are millionaires? Ever wondered why the people we admire are in such a position? Apart from hard work, what is the another thing which made them successful? It is the love towards the work they do. In simple words, they found out what they are passionate about doing. They found out that thing which they love to do. So the biggest question is, what is passion? What is the thing that we love to do? What is that? If you want to do something as bad as you want to breathe, then that's passion. If you want to do something even if you are not paid for that, then that's passion. The number one rule to success is to develop a passion. I'm shooting this content but I'm not paid for that, so it's my passion towards my work. Success comes to the luckiest people. You will get lucky because of certain chances, but those chances won't happen by themselves. You need to make it happen. You need to create your way towards success. Only you are responsible for your success as well as for your failures. And you can do this simply by identifying your passion. Do what you love to do and your life will be happier. Steve Jobs found out his passion. He was very lucky to do that. Bill Gates found out his passion. He was very lucky to do that. Do what you love to do and you will elevate to the next level. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked today's video, make sure you don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Help us to make the world a better place to live in simply by liking and sharing this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.